Understanding the Condition Report, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but important topic, condition reports. Whether you're renting a car, moving into a new apartment, or borrowing something valuable, understanding the condition report is crucial. This document is not just a piece of paper. It's a key to ensuring fairness and clarity. So, let's get started and understand every aspect of a condition report. A condition report is a document that describes the state of an item or property at a specific time. It's like a snapshot, capturing every detail, big or small. This report is used to note any existing damages or issues before the item is sold, rented out, or loaned. That way, both parties are clear about the condition beforehand, preventing misunderstandings or disputes later on. The importance of a condition report cannot be overstated. It protects both the owner and the borrower or renter. For the owner, it ensures that their property is returned in the same condition. For the borrower or renter, it prevents being blamed for damages they didn't cause. It's a cornerstone of trust and accountability in many transactions. Every condition report should include 1. Detailed descriptions. Every scratch, dent, or feature should be listed. 2. Photographic evidence. Pictures provide a visual backup for the written description. 3. Date and signatures. The date when the report was made and signatures from all parties involved confirm the report's validity. 4. Special conditions or instructions. Any specific terms or handling instructions should be clearly noted. When you're given a condition report, take these steps. 1. Read carefully. Understand every part of the report. If something is unclear, ask questions. 2. Inspect the item or property. Compare the actual condition with the report. Make sure they match. 3. Note discrepancies. If you find differences, note them immediately and discuss them with the other party. 4. Keep a copy. Always have your own copy of the signed condition report for future reference. Condition reports are more than just paperwork. They're a fundamental part of many transactions, ensuring fairness and clarity for everyone involved. By understanding and using these reports correctly, you can protect yourself and set the stage for successful, dispute-free agreements. We hope this video clarifies the concept and importance of condition reports. Thank you for watching, and we wish you smooth and secure transactions in the future.